morning, guys. I woke up pretty early. I slept about 12:40, and I've been up since about 6:40. Well, let me flip the camera first. Yeah, so I got up about 5:40, and I tried to sleep after that, but I couldn't. So I thought I'll use the time and come for a run. I weighed myself this morning again, and I'm 58.9, which I was yesterday, which is the lowest I've gone again. And that's great because today is the last day of the 30-day challenge. I've literally transformed my diet this month, right? And in terms of fitness, I've maxed out. So it's only about 900 grams that's left to go to hit my weight target or BMI. But I do think I'll have to kind of go to 57 something to hit the six pack, which is the target. So, but I do think by tomorrow, if not by today, I should be pretty close to 58. So I'm in the 58.9 right now, which is between 58.5 to 59. But I should be in the upper range of the weight. So I should be between 58.0 to 58.5. That'll be my target for today. And then for tomorrow, I'll try to hit the 58 target. There'll be still 30 days in the month, so I may have to stretch the schedule by one day, but I'll do my best to hit 58 by tomorrow, if not today. So I'm running right now. This is Chaudhary Devi Lal. I think that's Chaudhary Devi Lal Park. This is where I started to come to run when I get up in the morning. It wasn't planned again, but I got up early in the morning, and then I could have tried to sleep, but then it's on my mind. I have to hit 58, so I came to run. So I'm running right now. The plan is 7:20 I started running, and the plan is to run for about 40-45 minutes and then hit breakfast at McDonald's, which will start at 8. So I'll not be able to hit 58 right after the run because I'm eating. But later in the day, I'm gonna fast for a while, and I should be able to get close to 58. That's the goal. All right. Good morning. Bye. This is another important thing you could use, which I've been using lately. When you plan meetings or runs on a regular day, unless you're running a half marathon or a full marathon, whatever you schedule it for a sweet spot of 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Right now, schedule the run for 40 minutes. I've just finished 40 minutes, and it's a beautiful, beautiful number. It's more than 30 minutes, and it's less than 1 hour, right? And it's just the right time to have an important discussion. It's the right time to have a good run. It's the right time to have good sex. 40 minutes. Schedule shit for 40. Guys, I'm gonna run right now, and I want to say a really fucked up thing. Okay, it might sound fucked up, but here's the deal, okay? I'm 45. Okay, I've seen a lot of life. I'll tell you something really important. A lot of men, especially, right, spend a lot of their lives running after sex. Okay, that's the wrong thing to run after. Okay, I don't know if it was earlier, a decade or two before or not. Right now, there's ample sex available in the world, but there is not abundant love available in the world. Okay, so don't run after sex. Okay. Negotiate sex like it's a transaction. Run after love. There's not enough of it. Hey guys, been a busy day since morning. I don't know how it's been busy. I rested a bit in the afternoon because every day my sleep cracks at night, so I have to kind of catch up in the afternoon, which I managed to do. The good thing is that I did manage to do it, and I've been feeling fresh since the nap. So I had 2 gym sessions, one lower body and one arms, which I did. I just returned from them, and I have some really administrative tasks to do, which will take 3 to 4 hours, which I've kind of postponed till tonight. So I'll sleep pretty late tonight because I have to work on that. I have a dance class now at 8. It's almost 7. It is 7 exactly. So I've scheduled Bachata now. I've also spoken to a hip hop dance company, but they are in Shastri Nagar or something in Delhi, which I can't do. It seems like a good investment. The problem is you can't budget the time right now. So Bachata, I've budgeted time. So I should breathe. So Bachata, I've budgeted time. So Tuesday and Thursday are Bachata classes now. So I'm going there. Hopefully I'll enjoy it. I've invested about some not a substantial amount, but decent fees for that. So but 8 sessions over a month. So I'll go for that. Yeah, I think that's about it right now. I'll catch up later. Hey guys, the day review for 30th of June. The month is over largely, and my target for the month was essentially to hit 58 in weight, and I'm very close. I'm 58.8 something, but I don't think I'll hit 58 exactly. So I am very close. I got so close, it was almost an impossible goal to hit. So I'm pretty happy that I set such a steep goal for myself. In 7 months I would have lost about 13.4 kilograms once I hit 58. I already lost about 13 kilograms. So pretty happy with that. So July is the month when I get very close to the six-pack, to the elusive six-pack. So overall on the happiness scale, my day was about 6 to 7. I did manage to hit the gym and the stage, my 2 key sources of happiness these days. So the show, there were about 4 people. 2 came later, but there were 4 people. Very sweet audience. I did some crowd work, some new jokes. Happy with the spot, happy with the gym. I did legs and arms. Tomorrow is the marathon day. I also did bachata. My first class of bachata dancing. Actually the second, the first was a trial class. Fun. It's something I'm experimenting with. I don't know whether I'll continue completely beyond the first month, but I'm experimenting with it. So 6 to 7 is a decent score on the happiness scale. There's something I need to work on right now, which is important, but not fun, but fine. Alright, that'll be it. Good night.